Liver steatosis, more commonly referred to as fatty liver disease, is a reversible condition that can disappear with the modification of a few daily habits. Although this is rather uncommon, it doesn't become serious if treated on time. Learn how to treat fatty liver naturally in the following article. Characteristics of fatty liver. Fatty liver disease presents itself in those whose total liver weight is comprised of 5 to 10% fat. The majority of people who suffer from this condition are either over the age of 50 or have diabetes. However, it's true that oftentimes patients with liver fat have no complications worth mentioning. There are two classifications of this disease. Alcoholic liver fat is caused by excessive alcohol consumption. It is the earliest stage of liver diseases such as cirrhosis. When the liver is weak, it begins to accumulate the fats that it is unable to break down. If a patient stops drinking alcohol, the condition disappears on its own after 6 to 8 weeks of abstaining. There's no doubt that if the person continues to drink, that more severe complications can come down the road. Non-alcoholic liver fat is not a result of alcohol consumption, even though it is also one of the early causes of cirrhosis. This disease forms a scarred lining instead of a healthy one, which in the long term prevents the organ from functioning as it normally should. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, metabolic syndrome also known as syndrome X, high levels of triglycerides, or losing weight too quickly can all trigger this condition. Something that makes fatty liver disease distinct is that there aren't any particularly evident or characteristic symptoms. This makes it very easy to confuse with other pathologies. As the disease progresses, the warning signs that emerge include evening anxiety, fibromyalgia, abdominal fat, high levels of uric acid, cholesterol, and triglycerides, hair loss, acne, warts on the neck and armpits, sleep apnea, snoring. Fatigue, loss of appetite, weight loss problems, nausea, difficulties concentrating. We recommend you read Remedies that help treat fatty liver naturally. In addition to taking advantage of some home remedies, it is important for people who suffer from fatty liver disease to make some genuine lifestyle changes, especially with regards to nutrition and some personal habits such as excessive drinking. Liver repair can take some time if the patient doesn't commit and leave behind things that may jeopardize this organ's health. The most effective home remedies are artichoke. Don't think twice about adding this vegetable to your diet in order to improve liver health. It does not have many calories, is an excellent diuretic, helps regulate cholesterol and blood sugar, and reduces fat absorption, among other health benefits. It is advisable to eat fresh artichokes at least twice a week. Preparing them in healthy ways such as steamed or baked without dressings, sauces, or creams is a good idea. Loquat, this fruit is known for fighting many different issues, one of which is fatty liver disease. This is due to a purifying effect it has on the body which improves liver functions. The fruit can be eaten as a dessert. Thus, it can help treat fatty liver naturally. Radish and beet, you can easily incorporate this into your diet to reduce swelling and cleanse the liver. They are very nutritious with a low-calorie food. You can eat radishes raw or cut up in salads. You can boil beets to include them in salads or on the side. These are great to help treat fatty liver naturally. Milk thistle, it is a plant used to help treat fatty liver disease naturally. You can use the dried leaves in an herbal tea that protects this organ and improves its functions. Drinking this 3 times daily, with 1 tablespoon of milk thistle in each cup, will help. Dandelion, this is one of the most potent cleansers that exist. It helps to clean the liver and to improve its function. You should drink 3 cups a day of herbal tea made up of 1/4 liter of boiling water to each tablespoon of dandelions. Other natural treatments for fatty liver. Boldo, this plant is extremely popular because it cleans out toxins and eliminates fats from the liver, allowing this organ to heal. You can drink boldo tea after meals, and it will also help with digestion. Lemon, this works well for those who do not have any issues with acid. Add some lemon juice to your tea, salad, drink, or other foods. It is a potent cleanser for the liver and help eliminate fats that accumulate in this organ, thus helping to treat fatty liver naturally. Ginger. Some studies showed that ginger is very helpful in reducing liver fat due to the fact that it contains antioxidants that help reduce triglyceride levels. Thus, use 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger in boiling water to make a cup of tea. It can also be shredded and included in salads. Chicory. Wash and chop up 1 kilogram of fresh chicory. Blend it and add it to a saucepan with 1 kilogram of sugar. Then, bring to a boil until it becomes a syrup-like texture. Keep in a glass bottle with an airtight cap and drink 1 teaspoon a day. Grapefruit. This is very good for those who suffer from fatty liver disease because it contains naringenin, which activates the chemicals responsible for breaking down fatty acids. It also reduces body fat and alleviates metabolic syndrome, both of which are oftentimes connected to fatty liver disease. This fruit may help treat fatty liver naturally and efficiently.